Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I will show you my animated design. I had used I had used jQuery instead of JavaScript as it makes our work shorter and efficient. In my previous video, I had explained you how to link jQuery to your HTML document. So have a look in that video. Let's see the animated design. So this is HTML, this is it CSS, and after that at last, after our HTML, I had linked the jQuery. Now let's see that design. So this is my design. You can see by clicking the cycle button, the cycle will move in front, and by clicking on card, the car will go in front. Please comment below how is my design and what more should I add. I will surely try it in my design. Thank you guys for watching this video. Source code is in the description box. More informative videos are on the way. So subscribe my channel so you won't miss any update. Bye.